Number one, Introduction to HTML. What is HTML? HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard language used to create web pages. It provides the basic structure of a web page by using tags and elements. Introduction to HTML. Key points. HTML is not a programming language. It is a markup language. It structures the content of a web page, works alongside CSS for styling and JavaScript for interactivity. Number two, understanding the role of HTML in web development. Web development consists of three core technologies. Number one, HTML defines the structure of the web page, like headings, paragraphs, images, links, etc. Number two, CSS is an abbreviation of cascading style sheet, styles the web page, colors, fonts, layouts, animations, etc. Number three, JavaScript adds interactivity, forms validation, sliders, pop-ups, etc. Number three, setting up a code editor. Before writing HTML code, you need a code editor. Some popular choices: VS Code recommended. Download from VS Code. Install the live server extension for real-time preview. Other editors like Sublime Text, Atom, brackets, Notepad++ for Windows users. Tips: use live server in VS Code to see changes instantly. Number 4. Writing your first HTML page. Web development consists of three core technologies. Step 1. Create a new file. Open VS Code. Create a new file. Extension index.html. .html is an extension. Number 4. Writing your first HTML page. Step 2. Write basic HTML code. In this video, we show how to write first HTML code. Doc type tags. We used tags in HTML language. Okay. Tags mean less than and greater than signs. So first we start doc type HTML hyphen mark doc type HTML close tag. Starting tag is less than and ending tag is greater than. Okay. Then doc type HTML, then HTML language is equal to EN. EN means English language. So you can change any language in is here. Okay. Next head. After HTML language is equal to English, then tag is starting head. In head section, we cover meta car set is equal to UTF-8 tag. Then meta name is equal to viewpoint content. Content is equal to width. Width hyphen device width initial scale 1.0. Then set title. Title means above the page, above the browser of the page. My first page. Show the above left corner of the web page. Then closing the head tag. Then start body. In this body section, all web page in the under the body section. Body section heading 1. H1 means heading 1. So heading styles are H1 to H6. Okay. Now H1 is the starting tag, like any heading welcome to my web page. Then closing tag is slash. With slash, the closing tag h1. Now P means paragraph tag. Starting paragraph tag, this is my first HTML page. Any text you written, then closing tag of P is again slash P. Then closing body tag. This is the first HTML page code. Number 4. Writing your first HTML page. Step 3. Open in browser. Option 1. Open the file directly in a browser. Or option 2. Best. Use live server in VS Code to see changes instantly. Congratulations. You have written your first HTML page.